Now we have to see the Pythagoras theorem. The statement is, in right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of remaining two sides. So for that we have to draw the figure of right angle triangle. Now we draw the figure, and after that we write the given and to prove. So here we draw the figure of right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, angle B is here right angle. Angle B is right angle we have to given there. So we write the given in triangle ABC, angle B is right angle 90 degree. What we have to prove there? AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So to see the proof of that theorem, we use the similarity concept there, right angle triangle and similarity. So for that we draw the perpendicular from the vertex of the right angle to the hypotenuse. Now we draw the construction there, BD perpendicular. Now we see the proof there. In triangle ABC, that angle is 90 degree, BD perpendicular to the AC. So we use the right angle triangle and similarity. So due to that perpendicular, all the three triangles are similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC. Now for getting AB square, so we take the two triangles which have AB there. So A and B vertex. So first two there. Triangle ABC similar to triangle ADB. So after that we write the correspondence using the definition there. What we get there? AB by AD equals to AC by AB. Now take the cross multiplication. AB square equals to AD into AC. Same way for BC square. Now we want BC square. So for the we take the two triangles which have B and C vertex there. So that is triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Again we write the sides in proportion there. AC by BC equals to BC by DC, and take the cross multiplication. BC square equals to DC into AC. Now we want addition of AB square and BC square. So for that we take the addition of equation 1 and 2 there. AB square plus BC square equals to AD into AC plus DC into AD. Now we take the common as AC here. Both the brackets have AC there. So we take the AC is common there. So the remaining is AD plus DC there. So we get there AC into AC, that is AC square. So that is the theorem of Pythagoras. Really simple one. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. In triangle, square of one side is equals to sum of square of remaining two. Then the triangle is right angle. So only we have to see the we have to use that statement there. In triangle ABC, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, then the angle B equals to 90. We have to use that only in problem there. So we have to not see the proof of that one. Important theorem is there, converse of the Pythagoras theorem. So from that we see the problems in the exercise.